Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. So first of all, launch Messenger app on your mobile devices. Now once you come here, tap open any conversation you wish to. Now once you open a conversation, at the bottom left, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it. Now over here, go ahead and tap on the option of poll. Now, in order to create a poll, you would have to enter a question first. That is, what's your poll about? So, enter your question. After you have created a question, you would have to add options. So, tap on Add Option. Then, you would have to add another option for your poll. After this, go ahead and tap on Create Poll at the bottom. And over here, you will be able to create a poll on your Facebook Messenger. You can tap on Vote option, then choose on the options you have created. After this, tap on Submit. So with that, you will successfully be able to create a poll on your Facebook Messenger. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.